Alright, so I think I know what's causing that shake. These wheels, they're held on by 2, 4, 6 different bolts, at least the front ones are. And this is where it felt like it was shaking from worse. So the way you test if one of these things is on here properly is you jack up the truck a little bit, then you put something like a sledgehammer there, and then when we spin this wheel, we watch it, and if it's going like in and out, wobbling, then we can tell something's not quite right there. And as you can see, this one's to within, I don't know, like 3/16 of an inch or something. Evidently, maybe it needs to be closer. So we're gonna work on adjusting these lugs a little bit. Okay, you see this thing? Okay, looks like these two need to be tightened. I think that's about as round as it's gonna get. I mean, that's like 10 times better than it was when we started. Pretty much completely gone. Could be worse. No odd smells, no strange sounds except for everything just going like that. It's juicing, man. Not the most powerful thing ever, even empty. But it chooches. Are we gonna hit 45? 45! Success! Alright everybody, so first test drive, second test drive was a success. I'm really happy with how that turned out. You know, first time on the road, there was quite a bit of vibration in the front end. So we came back, rebalanced these tires, and the second one really couldn't have gone much better. Now the thing is, it seems like it wants to grind a lot between gears, but since I'm still getting used to driving this thing, I feel like that's probably more me than the truck. But once it's in gear, it goes really well, and I had that in all the gears at random intervals, so again, that's what's kind of leading me to believe it's probably more me than the truck. However, things we've learned, this thing runs extremely well. Felt like it was running perfectly. This thing stops extremely well. Never had any shortage of brake power, which is always good. Pleased with how the series has gone, and yeah, hope everything goes well tomorrow. So thanks for watching, everybody.